Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. To the cast so far in the Philippines, my first experimental horror film, including the second. We're going to film both of them back to back, more than likely. It's going to be more cost effective. Some of you have already been contacted by me to be fitted for your special effect props, and some haven't. To the ones who have not, do expect sometime soon or in the near future for me to contact you to be done as such. Have you visit me and my wife, and what we'll do is have you fitted for your special effect prop and some of the script explained to you. And so that's what's going to be going on. It's going to be more cost effective, getting two things done at one time. We don't know how long this pandemic situation is going to last, and we need to go ahead and get I need to go ahead and get the situation controlled under that and get it done safely. All right, so be expected to be for the cast of my first and second experimental horror film, for you to be fitted for your special effects props. All right, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a like on my video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.